In this video, I'll show you an amazing Samsung Quick Panel customization that can make your phone look completely unique. Did you know that you can add your own photos to the Samsung Quick Settings panel? Instead of the standard look, you can personalize the panel with images from your gallery for a custom design that stands out. If you want to customize your Samsung Quick Panel like this, follow this tutorial step by step. First, open the Good Lock app on your Samsung device. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the Galaxy Store. Once installed, launch Good Lock. Now scroll down until you find Quick Start and tap on it. Before continuing, make sure Quick Start is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have access to all the newest customization features. Inside Quick Start, tap Edit Panel Style. This feature allows you to apply custom images and redesign the appearance of your Quick Settings panel. You'll see three sections at the bottom: Controls, Buttons, and Borders. Let's start with Controls. Tap Controls to customize elements such as the brightness slider, volume controls, media player button, and device control buttons. Select the item you want to customize, then choose a photo from your gallery. After selecting the image, tap Apply. Next, tap Buttons. Here you can add custom images to Quick Settings buttons such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound, airplane mode, flashlight, mobile data, and more. Select the button you want to customize, choose an image from your gallery, adjust it if needed, and tap Apply. Finally, tap Border. In this section, you can customize the border style and choose whether borders appear only on customized items or throughout the Quick Panel. Once you're finished, swipe down the notification panel twice to open the full Quick Settings panel. The final result looks amazing and gives your Samsung phone a unique style based on the photos you've selected. This is one of the most useful and impressive customization features available through the Good Lock module, and it works on many Samsung Galaxy devices. That's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.